Hey guys, Matt Popovich here. Another video in the series of Audi videos. This one we're going to be replacing the front driver's side dash air vents. I don't know what to call this thing. They're pretty easy to do. So there's 4 clips in these guys. Just grab a small little flathead screwdriver and wiggle it in here.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
And then you're going to want to pull towards you to sort of lift this guy out without the clips, and then you can lift it up. But yeah, as you can see, there's 4 clips, 2 clips there on the bottom and 2 clips on the top. And you can buy these for like 20 bucks off eBay. And then put it back in, same thing, put it in an angle down like this, and then push from the top and you'll hear a click and you're good to go. A renter from Turo actually damaged this with his phone mount. He said must have been pretty hefty. Let me show you the other one here. It's gonna be the exact same thing. Grab your screwdriver, another flathead, wiggle it in, push towards you and up a little bit. Alright, I'm not gonna be able to make a video on this right side here. I swear this vehicle was in an accident in the front side and it's pinched together a little bit, probably like, I don't know, the frame or something, and I cannot get this guy out with one hand. So I'll take it out with 2 hands and compare it to the left side and see if they're interchangeable. Alright, so finally wrestled this thing out. As you can see, similarly 2 clips there on the bottom and 2 clips on the top. And yeah, so the first thing I wanted to say was just to look and make sure that the vents are facing the right way. If you have it opposite, that's going to be stopping wind or stopping defrost air from actually blowing onto your window. Yeah. So yeah, make sure you get them facing the vents in the right way, and all that won't even matter if this doesn't fit. And yeah, I'm going to say these do not fit. And to confirm that, let's take a look at what we have here on the back. Yeah, so right there we see a left-hand drive passenger. So this is only for the passenger side. If we look at the other one, left-hand drive driver. So yeah, these are not interchangeable, and you'll need to get the correct part for each one. I'll get the part number here. That's for the left-hand drive, and I'll have links in the description of the video as well. And this is for the right-hand drive. Or this is for the left-hand drive passenger. Until I get a replacement, I'll put these guys back where they belong. Make sure this is the right one. Driver's side. I want to make sure those air vents are pointing towards the window. I'll angle it bottom down, then I'll just tap in. Good to go. Check this right side. Passenger side. Ugh. I've got the passenger side left-hand drive. Again, make sure it's pointing towards the window. We'll start angled down, and we'll just sort of push it in from there. There you go. Of course, Audi wouldn't be able to make those symmetric, but it's alright. We'll get them replaced and fixed up, good as new. Here's the replacement part that I got. Alright, let's try and swap these. I think I can do it with one hand. I think it's easiest to grab this guy from the top. And then it'll clip out. There's 2 clips on the bottom, 2 plastic clips on the top. And pop this new guy in there. Good to go. So that's how to take out and replace the front dash air vents. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, consider liking it to help it gain visibility. If it was helpful for you, hopefully it can be helpful for others too. Thanks for watching. Until next time.